I went to the store yesterday. Hello viewers, how are you? Welcome to the English Quizly channel, your go-to destination for exciting English grammar quizzes. Today we are going to see how good is your English grammar. Answer these fun questions to find out. But before that, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to play more fun quizzes. Alright, let's play the quiz. The dog is barking loudly. They are studying for their test. I ate breakfast this morning. He slept late last night. She wrote a letter to her friend. We played soccer after school. The teacher gave us a quiz. They won the game. I saw a movie last night. He is reading a book right now. She is cooking dinner for her family. We helped our teacher clean the classroom. The cat jumped up on the tree. They ran to catch the bus. I swam in the pool. He drove his car to work. She sang a song. We danced at the party. The sun set in the west. I lent him my book. The dog lay on the floor. They lost the game. I made my bed this morning. He meant well. She met her friends at the coffee shop. We paid the bill. The teacher picked us up at the airport. They put the books on the shelf. I read a book last night. He rode his bike to school. She ran around the park. We said goodbye to our friends. The cat slept in the sun. They speak English very well. I spent the weekend with my family. He started a new job this week. She stayed at home last night. We studied for our test. The sun shone brightly. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like it, share it, and post your marks in the comment section. And if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss any new video.